Welcome to English Beginner Zone channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about shopping. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about a supermarket. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What is the special code used for weighing fruits? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video.
Wow, Diana, this building is massive. I have never seen a shop this big before.
I know. It is much bigger than our shops back home. It looks like a giant warehouse.
Look at this trolley. I think I can fit inside it. Let's take the biggest one.
We do not need that much food. We only need some snacks and fruit. Let's take a small basket instead.
But we are in New York. We should shop like the local people here. Trust me, we will fill it up.
Look at these red apples. These look delicious. Let's get 4 of them for our snack.
Okay, I will put them in a plastic bag. But wait, how do we know the price? There is no barcode on them.
Hello, I see you are looking at the apples. You need to use the PLU code for those.
The PLU code? What is that, sir? Is it like a secret password for fruit?
It is the price lookup code. For these apples, it is 4011. Just type it into that scale.
Oh, I see. I will type 4011. There. The machine printed a price tag for us now.
Thank you so much. We are new here and everything feels very different and exciting.
No problem. New York supermarkets are huge. Do you need help finding anything else today?
Yes, we are looking for peanut butter. Is it near the bread or the snacks?
It is in the next aisle, aisle 5. We have 50 different kinds of peanut butter over there.
50 kinds? That is a lot. Back home, we only have 2. One smooth and one crunchy.
Let's go. I want to find the one with chocolate. That sounds like a real American snack.
Look, I found it. But this jar is giant. It is enough for a whole month. Should we buy it?
Yes, let's get it. Now we need some milk for our cereal. Do they have small cartons here?
Tony, look. They sell milk in huge plastic jugs. It is a gallon. That is almost 4 liters.
Wow, let me lift it. This is heavy. Americans must drink a lot of milk every single day.
We have everything now. But look at the line at the cashier. It is so long.
Look, there are machines over there. It says self-checkout. Let's try that. It will be faster.
Are you sure? I am nervous. What if we make a mistake and the alarm goes off?
It is easy. You just swipe the item and put it in the bag. See, the peanut butter is done.
Oh no! A red light is flashing. The machine says, "Please wait for assistance." What did we do?
Don't worry, it's me again. The machine just needs to verify your heavy milk jug. It is very common. There you go. I swiped my card and the light is green. You can pay with your card now.
Thank you again. You saved us twice today. New York people are very kind.
Okay, let's put these apples here.
This milk is still very heavy.
We really appreciate your help today. We survived our first New York shopping trip. Now let's go home and eat that chocolate peanut butter.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your snacks. Have a great day, kids. See you next time.
I can't wait to try that peanut butter.
The air feels good. New York is so busy.
That was an adventure. I didn't know shopping could be so complicated.
It was the code for the apples that was the most difficult. But we have everything we need now. The apples look so fresh.
Almost there. This milk is getting heavier. I am definitely ready for that peanut butter sandwich.
Here we are, our building.
Home sweet home. Let's head upstairs.
What is the special code used for weighing fruits? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.